Hey, and welcome back to Rami's Bar, the show that teaches you how to do drinks at home, just like we're doing over here. Today we're going to be doing Santa's White Russian. By the way, if you're wondering about the hat, it's a bad hair day, and it's Christmassy, so it's like the nice Christmassy little fuzzy hat. So, anyways, let's do this. For your ingredients, you're going to need your vodka. Today we're going to be using Grey Goose vodka, your coffee liqueur. We've used this liqueur somewhere else, and I'll add the link at the top. And then Rumchata, which we already used in the previous episode. And then we're going to also use some spices into our drink today, but you don't have to do that. It's up to you. It's a little bit holiday-ish when you put cinnamon and nutmeg, so it's going to be exciting. Oh, and we also got condensed milk. Again, you don't have to do that. I just absolutely love condensed milk with coffee. It gives it that Cuban coffee taste that I've had once. And it's been haunting me. I want that Cuban coffee again. It's a little bit rambling about Cuban coffee. Let's get back to our drink. I got this machine to create my own foam because I do love cappuccinos, and it's something that I use. I put the milk in it. It just does the foam itself. It's pretty nifty. It's on Amazon. I got it for like 20 bucks. I'll leave the link below. Hopefully it's the same price at that point. But anyways, we're going to be using this, and we're going to be doing this first just because it comes out hot, and we're going to need to let it cool down as we're doing the other parts of the drink. And of course, you want to add the hot things at the very end so that you don't mess up your drink. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 1 ounce of Rumchata into what I'm going to call as the mixer, or the foam maker machine. Maybe add a little bit more just because it will evaporate a little bit. And then I'm personally going to add condensed milk to the process. Sorry about the bottle, it's not as professional as you guys would like it, but it's what we have. Oof, it's getting messy. And then I'm gonna add a small little dash of ground cinnamon. Come on. We're definitely gonna need to clean this machine afterwards. And then we're gonna add a small dash of nutmeg in there. And then, so it's working on the side, I'm gonna move this machine out of scope and let it run. Okay, now to continue working on our drink. You get your old-fashioned glass, and then you're gonna add your cubes of ice. I add 2 clear ice. Someday we're gonna do an episode on how to do clear ice for sure. And then we're gonna add, first thing, our vodka. So we're gonna need 2 ounces of your vodka. I'm using Grey Goose vodka. I think the name says it all. And then afterwards, we're gonna follow up with 1 ounce of your coffee liqueur. I personally prefer Mr. Black coffee liqueur, and I've said it before, just because it's lighter and it's less sugary than the other coffee liqueurs out there. And that's why I like it. Sorry about the beeping, that's the milk foaming machine that I still don't know the name of it. But I'll definitely leave the link in the description below. So we add 1 ounce of coffee. There's a little bit of the milk that we used in there. That's fine. Let it settle for a couple of minutes, and we'll come back to it.
A few moments later.
So now, like I said, just simply add. It's hot, it's fine. That's why you got the ice in there. Just add it in there. Look at that beautiful color mix between the milk, the Rumchata actually, and your coffee liqueur and your vodka. It looks beautiful. So keep this on the side. And now typically White Russian drinks, they're served as it is. They don't mix it. But I like to mix it just because I have a lot of ingredients going on with the Rumchata and the cinnamon and then nutmeg. So again, just gently stir your drink. Make sure anything that's, not mixed to be mixed. Gently stir your drink for a couple of seconds. don't have to go full force on it. And there you have it, Santa's White Russian, or what I like to call it as the naughty cappuccino. It's absolutely beautiful. It's amazing of a drink. It generally tastes like you got a cappuccino from Starbucks or your favorite coffee shop, and there's nothing better to mix than rumchata and your coffee liqueur, and the vodka gives it that added kick. The ground cinnamon and nutmeg definitely makes it holiday-ish, and that's why I like to call it the naughty cappuccino or the Santa's White Russian. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe for more episodes like this one. And if you really like this episode, like it and share it with your friends. Happy holidays. Cheers.